Okay, welcome to this product demonstration video of the ALLTEST DSD-8135 saliva drug testing kit. Now you've got the packaging in front of you here. This is a carton of 25 13 drug saliva screens. The 13 drug includes alcohol, so there's 12 drugs of abuse plus an alcohol screen for testing in saliva. The saliva alcohol test is correlated to an actual blood alcohol concentration level. So the results you get for alcohol give an indication of the blood alcohol concentration at the time of testing. The saliva drug screens obviously screen for the presence of the drugs at the cut-off levels as shown on the pack. So if we crack this pack open to show you what's included in this, this is a full carton from manufacturer, contains 25 drug tests. First thing you'll notice in here is some valuation charts. These are multiple reading results. They do cover elements that aren't included in the saliva test, such as the urine adulteration readings. The one of relevance to this test is the saliva results panel here with the colour comparison charts. If I just bring that up so you get an indicator of it. The darker the colour turquoise that the pad for alcohol detects, the higher the concentration of alcohol. A couple of those are included in here just in case one goes awry. You have got some security seals that you can write on with the name of the sample donor, and you've got the manufacturer's full instruction data sheet here. Now this again covers every single possible membrane that is manufactured by ALLTEST and can be loaded into these panels. So not every one of these drug groups listed here with all the information about them is relevant to this particular test. You just cross-reference against the drugs that you've purchased on the panel. And for this panel you'll see what you get is 25 of these test panels, 25 saliva collectors, and 25 saliva dispatch tubes. These are nice and easy to use. You open the lid, the sponge when it's saturated goes in and discharges into this bottom vessel, so you can see very clearly how much saliva you're gaining. The bulb usually has an indicator level. It's very difficult to see, it won't actually show on this video, but you have got some guides on there in terms of the number of mils that you've collected. And then once you've collected adequate saliva, this lid screws back on, flip up the dispenser, invert the chamber, and you've basically got a squeezable bulb that dispatches 3 drops of saliva into each of the test sample windows. We'll show you that later in. So you've got 25 of those, 25 of those, 25 of these. And the combination, if we bring this closer into focus on these 13 drug saliva tests, you've got a screen included in this for opiates, cocaine, amphetamine, PCP, methamphetamines, oxycodone, benzodiazepines, cannabis, buprenorphine, K2, K3, which is synthetic cannabis, MDMA, which is ecstasy, and methadone. And you've also got that alcohol test panel in there. Okay, so in part 2 what we're going to show you is that kit stripped down and open, ready for testing. And we'll show you the collection of saliva, how to process that through the bulb and into the test panel to run the tests.